Yeah, yeah, uh-huh, uh. A is for ant, working all day. It carries big crumbs and marches away. B is for bat, who sleeps upside down. It flies through the night over trees and town. C is for chicken, pecking the ground. It clucks and lays eggs without making a sound. D is for deer, with eyes soft and wide. It runs through the forest and quickly can hide. E is for emu, with feathers so neat. It races on land with long speedy feet. F is for ferret, curious and quick. It squeezes in holes and plays every trick. G is for goose, who honks when it flies. It flaps its wings under cloudy skies. H is for hedgehog, with spikes on its back. It curls in a ball if there's danger or lack. I is for inchworm, crawling so slow. It arches its back wherever it goes. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace. It glows in the ocean, a soft shining face. K is for kangaroo, who jumps with a bound. It carries its baby where safety is found. L is for lizard, quick on the stone. It basks in the sun and likes being alone. M is for monkey, swinging from trees. It chatters and plays in the tropical breeze. N is for nightingale, singing a tune. Its voice fills the air by the light of the moon. O is for octopus, hiding in sand. It squirts out some ink and escapes on demand. P is for a parrot, with feathers so bright. It talks and it whistles with pure delight. Q is for a quail, who nests on the ground. It scurries through grass and barely makes sound. R is for rooster, greeting the day. It crows at the sun in his bold, proud way. S is for seal, who claps by the sea. It dives in the waves and swims happily. T is for toad, who croaks by the shore. It hops through the grass and calls out once more. U is for urchin, with prickles so wide. It hides in the rocks when the sea starts to slide. V is for viper, which slithers and hiss. It hides under leaves and strikes not a miss. W is for weasel, sly and thin. It darts through the meadow and slips right in. X is for Cerberus, a squirrel from afar. It digs in dry lands where the acacia trees are. Y is for yellow lab, wagging its tail. It plays in the yard and follows your trail. Z is for zebra, in stripes black and white. It runs through the plains in the morning light. That was so much fun. You just sang the ABCs with animals from around the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more animal learning songs from Little Animal Melodies. See you next time.